You're staring at your Acorns app, eyeing that spend account, and a question pops into your head. Can I just get my paycheck dropped right in there? No detours, no transfers, just a straight shot? If that thought has crossed your mind, you're in exactly the right place, because today, we're diving deep into the world of direct deposits and Acorns Spend. We're going to unravel all the ins and outs, the how-tos, and the why-nots, to help you streamline your finances and make your money work harder for you. For years, Acorns has been synonymous with micro-investing, those brilliant roundups that turn spare change into a growing investment portfolio. It's been a fantastic entry point for millions into the world of investing, making it accessible and almost effortless. But then, Acorns expanded its offerings, bringing us Acorns Spend, a checking account and debit card designed to integrate seamlessly with your investing habits. And that's where the direct deposit question becomes absolutely crucial. Think about it, the core appeal of Acorns is automation. You set it and forget it. Your spare change gets invested, your recurring investments happen without a second thought. So, wouldn't it be incredible if your primary income source, your paycheck, could also be automated directly into the Acorns ecosystem? Not just into the investment accounts, but into the checking account that facilitates your daily spending, while still potentially feeding those investments? The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes, and it opens up a whole new realm of financial convenience and strategic money management. Let's break down why this is such a powerful feature. For many, the traditional banking setup involves a checking account at one institution and an investment account at another. This often means manually transferring funds between them or setting up scheduled transfers that might not always align perfectly with your pay cycle. With direct deposit into Acorns Spend, you're collapsing that entire process. Your money lands directly where it can be immediately managed. You can pay bills, use your debit card, and crucially, have those funds automatically feed your Acorns Invest and later accounts through their smart deposit features. Imagine this, your paycheck hits your Acorns Spend account. A preset portion immediately sweeps into your Acorns Invest portfolio, continuing to grow your wealth passively. Another portion might go into your Acorns Later retirement account. The remainder is available for your everyday expenses, all within the same intuitive app. This isn't just about convenience, it's about building a robust, automated financial ecosystem where your money is constantly working for you, rather than sitting idly. So, how exactly do you set this up? It's surprisingly straightforward, and if you've ever set up direct deposit with an employer before, you'll find the process very familiar. The key is to locate your Acorns Spend account and routing numbers. These are the unique identifiers that your employer's payroll department will need to send your funds directly to your Acorns Spend account. You can typically find these numbers within the Acorns app itself. Navigate to your spend account details, and usually, under a section like Account and Routing Numbers or Direct Deposit Info, you'll see the necessary digits. Make sure you're looking at your Acorns Spend account details specifically, not your Acorns Invest account details, as those are different. It's crucial to get these correct to ensure your funds land in the right place. Once you have these numbers, the next step involves your employer. Most employers have a payroll portal or a human resources department that handles direct deposit setup. You'll typically fill out a direct deposit form, either online or a physical paper form. On this form, you'll enter your Acorns Spend account number and routing number. You'll also specify the amount you want to be direct deposited. This is a crucial point. You don't have to deposit your entire paycheck into Acorns Spend. You can choose to direct deposit a partial amount, sending the rest to another bank account if you wish. This flexibility allows you to customize your financial flow to suit your needs. For example, you might choose to direct deposit 80% of your paycheck into Acorns Spend, using it for daily expenses and automated investments, and send the remaining 20% to a separate savings account for a specific goal outside of Acorns. Or, you might choose to direct deposit your entire paycheck into Acorns Spend, leveraging all of its features. The choice is entirely yours. Once you've submitted the direct deposit form to your employer, it usually takes 1 to 2 pay cycles for the changes to take effect. During this transition period, your paycheck might still be issued via your old method, So it's wise to keep an eye on your bank statements and your Acorns Spend account to confirm the direct deposit has successfully begun. Acorns will also notify you when a direct deposit hits your Spend account, which is a nice confirmation. Now, let's talk about the benefits of direct depositing into Acorns Spend beyond just convenience. One of the standout features of Acorns Spend is its smart deposit capability. This is where the magic truly happens. With Smart Deposit, you can set up rules for what happens to your direct deposited funds as soon as they hit your account. For instance, you can automatically transfer a percentage of your direct deposit to your Acorns Invest account, ensuring you're consistently investing without having to think about it. You can also set up transfers to your Acorns Later account for retirement savings. This takes the concept of pay yourself first to a whole new level, automating your savings and investments at the very source of your income. Think about the psychological impact of this. Instead of seeing your entire paycheck land in a traditional checking account and then having to manually move funds to investing, Acorns Spend reverses the process. Your investments and savings are taken care of first, automatically, before you even have a chance to spend the rest. This subtle shift in behavior can have a profound impact on your long-term financial health. Furthermore, Acorns Spend often comes with additional perks that complement your direct deposit. These can include things like fee-free ATM withdrawals within a certain network, early paycheck access, sometimes up to 2 days early, depending on your employer's payroll processing, and integration with their Found Money program, which gives you bonus investments when you shop at participating retailers. While the specific perks might vary and are subject to change, the overall aim is to make Acorns Spend a comprehensive and rewarding banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.